Well, hey there, guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, we've got another Retro Kenny rerun. Now, guys, this particular selection I was very skeptical to post. Not because it's not a good project. In fact, as far as woodworking projects goes, it's one of my wife's favorites that I have ever made. It was done back in 2014 and it is still used on a daily basis today. So it's one of her favorite projects, but it is a 5-part series. Being back in 2014, it's a very rustic production. I did not have plans. I had some downloaded kind of conceptual plans that I got somewhere on the internet over 10 years ago, and I muddled my way through it and was able to make myself a folding chair slash stool. I think they might even be called library chairs. Either way, guys, it is a 5-part series. We're going to get into part 1 today. If you're interested in that, you can click right up here in this top corner, and that's where you can find it. I'm thinking this series may be the last of the Retro Kennys, and then we're going to get back into some regular new content. So I'm really looking forward to that. Either way, guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's selection. I hope you're able to pull something positive out of it. I really hope you're going to try this project because although it's kind of scattered and all over the place, it's a great one. And more importantly, I hope you're going to join me again next week when I bring you yet another Retro Kenny rerun.